Hey guys, so just in case you didn't see it, I have already done a video showing you all the products that I bought from the Wet n Wild Zodiac collection. I posted it on Sunday, and I know you guys aren't used to seeing videos from me on Sunday, but I got the package on Saturday. I was so excited that I couldn't wait to show it to you all. So there already is a video showing you everything that I bought from the collection. So today I'm going to start doing a look for each element, and I'm going to start with air, and this is going to be a similar look to what I did yesterday in yesterday's video, but not exactly. I'm going to switch up a couple of the products that I used with it, and I'll show you what I mean as we go along. So I've already applied lip balm, face primer, foundation, setting powder, contour, and blush. I think that's it. Everything will be listed in the description box as always. So I'm going to start with the face highlighter. So this is the Air face highlighter from the collection. So isn't that pretty? Oh, they did such a good job with this collection. This is the highlighting brush from the Dragon collection, and I'm just putting some on my brush. I'm going to go right across the top of my cheekbones and then up a little bit into the temple area. Now yesterday I used my Morphe setting spray at the end, so today I'm not going to do that because I want you to be able to see what the products look like without the setting spray. Usually setting spray will intensify a look, but for some reason it didn't, and it was the first time I had ever used that setting spray, so I don't know if it's the formula of the Wet n Wild products or the formula of the Morphe spray. I have a feeling it's just that these particular products perform better and have more shine to them if you don't wet them, but you can if you want to. Totally optional. Okay, I'm going to prime my lids with MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Oh yeah, did you guys go get your free lipstick at MAC yesterday? I wasn't going to go, and then I changed my mind, and I haven't tried the lipstick yet that I got, and I'm going to incorporate it into this look because I think it could look nice with that Libra lip gloss. It should. It could. It should. Yeah, I went later on, and I was fully expecting them to say, oh no, we ran out of product a long time ago, but I figured I'd give it a shot, and they told me that they prepared better for it this time. They said last year that, they ran out really fast, and this time they anticipated the big crowds, so they set aside more product for that. Okay, so this is the Air eyeshadow palette from the collection. And I said I was going to do swatches. I'll do them at the end. Let's just do the look for now. Just going to take this small e.l.f. crease brush and go into this white shade here. Put that right on my brow bone. And I start right at the highest point of the arch and then just work my way outward. You don't want to put it across the whole thing. Inner corners. Okay, now I'm going to take a MAC 239 brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is a pink. I'm going to put that on my lids. Start it at the inner corner area so that the bulk of the product is on that inner half. Okay, I'm just going to flip the brush over now and put on some of this mauve type shade in the outer part of the lid. I'm going to take a Wet n Wild blending brush and go into this LA Colors matte eyeshadow palette in Matteriffic. This is one of the products that I'm changing. Yesterday I used my Viseart palette, but I just really like these taupey shades if I'm doing certain types of colors. So starting in the outer corner, I'm just going to do small circles and move inward. Okay, now I'm going to take this Morphe M514 brush and I'm going to go into that copper shade right there. And I'm just going to go into the outer corner area and then drag that down into the outer part of the lid. I couldn't decide what to use for an eyeliner. I decided to go with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate because of that copper shade. So I'm going to do brown. This is another change because in yesterday's I used a golden bronze eyeliner and I don't know, I just wasn't that crazy about it. So I'm going with brown today. I'm going to take a small Zoeva pencil brush and go right back into that copper shade and drag that right along the lower lash line. Curl my lashes. Now I'm going to apply some Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. By the way, I didn't mention yesterday when I was talking about this that I've never tried anything by this brand before. So this is a first for me. Yeah, I watched this video where somebody was raving about this mascara. Then the very next video I watched after that, that person was talking about it too. And I was like, oh, come on, you guys. I hadn't bought anything in Sephora in a long time. I can't even remember the last time I bought anything at Sephora, so. You know, I was thinking that we should be getting that flyer in the mail that comes in August, I think it is. That has, it like gets you all excited for fall, and they usually have a beautiful look done on somebody on the cover. I can't wait to see that because it's always a stunning look. Last year, it got me to buy some of the products that she was wearing. I didn't have any problems removing this last night, by the way. Came off easily. Yeah, I mean, you can really see the difference with this, whereas most of the mascaras I've been trying lately, you couldn't really see any difference. Okay, now I'm going to line my lips with this Colormates Nude Lip Liner. And the lipstick I got at I was going to say back to MAC. No, the lipstick I got for National Lipstick Day free at MAC is called Aloof. And haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try it now, so I hope I like it. But I thought this would go good with that lip gloss. Oh, that's a great color. And it's a luster finish. And if you didn't get anything at that event yesterday, and you saw a color that you really liked, don't worry about it because I read that all these lipsticks that they were giving away, they're going to bring all these colors back for a limited time in the fall. I think they said September. Oh, this is a great color. So that's Aloof. It even says right on it, not for sale. So I wonder what they're going to do with all the ones that they have left over if they intentionally put aside a bunch of them this time. Oh, that's a great color. Okay. But it will also make a nice base, I think, for this stunning Libra lip gloss that is part of this collection. Now, the lipstick that I had on underneath the gloss yesterday was like a lavender pink. The lipstick was called Baby Pink by NYX, but just to look at it, it kind of looked like a lavender. So I think this would make a lot more sense because this is more of an actual pink. Oh, this lip gloss is stunning. I'm so glad that I ended up with a pretty color for Libra. I'll tell you, between this and that AOA Diamond lip gloss that I got from Shop Miss A, I'm starting to like lip gloss, and I never really did like lip gloss before. So I really like this air look, and I'm dying to see how I feel about the other elements, but this collection is so pretty, you guys. I mean, it's just so easy to put these together, and the colors are just so gorgeous. And if you want to see the rest of the collection and you didn't see it yet, just go back and watch yesterday's video. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.